Hello guys, welcome to VChem World. In this lecture, we will discuss on the lab equipment for chemistry laboratory, how it's used and how it's look. First, in the student reagent cells, different types of liquid given. For this is dilute HCl, dilute HNO3, dilute H2SO4, dilute NaOH, dilute NH4OH, dilute acetic acid and lead acetate. This is the reagent cells for the students. Then next is this is the beaker. Beaker of different sizes such as 150 ml, 200 ml, 250, 500, 1000 as per your requirement. Beaker are used for taking various liquids. All liquids are taken in this beaker. Then next is test tubes. Two types of test tubes, centrifuge and simple test tube. These are the different sizes are available. For the salt analysis known as a centrifuge, this is the centrifuge test tube and this is the boiling tube are also available. In this practical mostly useful this test tube. In this also useful in the salt analysis. Next, conical flask. It's useful for the titration. It is used in volumetric analysis for carrying out titration. It also available in different sizes 200 ml, 100 ml, 250 ml, 500 ml as per requirement. Next, funnel. Buchner funnel and simple funnel. It is used for filtration and for pouring solution from one container to the other. This simple funnel used that way. In this Buchner funnel used with the suction pump. So it's dry the solid substance. Buchner funnel. Next, measuring flask. It is used in quantitative analysis when we have to prepare a solution with particular volume. There are flasks for 50 ml, 100, 250 ml capacity. There is a mark on this stem. For example, this is the mark. So it gives this much solution is give the 200 ml. This mark given and this stem the flask up to with the liquid is taken to complete the volume. Liquid pour to this mark. Next, glass rod. It is used for stirring purposes. It is also used as in aid for transferring the liquid into the funnel. It's used as the stirring the liquid and mix up the solute and solvent. Next, china dish. It is a small vessel made of porcelain. It is used in crystallization for concentrating a solution. Next, wire gauze. This is the wire gauze. This is the beaker, this wire gauze and stand. What is the useful of wire gauze? It is the place above the flame of the burner. This flame of the burner, so that the glass vessel being heated does not touch the flame directly and hence it prevent from breaking. So wire gauze is intermediate between the burner and vessel. Next, tripod stand. It is used for supporting a china dish or beaker so that it can be heated from below. This is the tripod stand. Next, test tube holder. This is test tube holder. Crucible tongue. This is a crucible tongue. Spatula. Spatula used for the taken a substance. And watch glass. Test tube holder, crucible tongue, spatula and watch glass. Next, clamp. This is the clamp, stand. This is the burette and pipette. It is also useful. It's all are useful in the titration, volumetric analysis. Next, water bath and sand bath. When in organic chemistry reaction put in the water bath or sand bath. When reaction occur at below 100 degree temperature, it's put in the water bath and above 100 degree it's put in the sand bath. Then centrifugal machines. In this machine, centrifugate test tube is put. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.